Here's a 2017 Chevrolet Spark. Turn heads as you turn corners in this ultimate urban commuter. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, manual tilting steering column, Bluetooth, air conditioning, inline 4-cylinder engine, rear lip spoiler, gas pressurized shocks, and continuously variable automatic transmission. Car and Driver muses the Spark's persona is less shocking than its name, but those seeking basic urban transportation will be happy. Performance, value, durability, Chevy. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
At Arizona Car Sales, the price you see is the best upfront price, and you don't have to negotiate for it. Get the car, truck, or SUV you want and experience the Arizona Car Sales difference today.